Hello, Klaus here, and in today's video we're going to have a look back to the Blackmagic Pocket 4K camera. I did a video a while back about the audio and how to use 3.5mm jacks and mini XLR audio and how to adapt those together, and I've been receiving a lot of questions about that lately, so I think I would like to do another video about this topic, because since I did the video there's been 2 updates, and both updates have done something to the audio inside of the camera here. So again, I'll do some tests with all the microphones I own, trying out lavaliers, condenser mics, shotgun mics, whatever I have, I'll try that out and try to compare them I'll try to compare how they sound either with the 3.5mm jack input in the camera or in the mini XLR adapter with this little adapter thingy from Rode, which is just a adapter which adapts the 3.5mm jack into a XLR connection. So let's have a look at that. Oh, and by the way, I'm trying out an old vintage lens right now. I'm shooting on the Helios 44 right now, so just for the fun of it. So hopefully I am in focus, because I can't reach my Ursa, which is really far away from me now, because this is a 44mm lens and the room I am recording in is quite small. Anyway, let's go to the audio portion of this video. Let's go. Okay, and this is the first thing we are going to test out. We are testing out the lavalier mic, and this is just how that sounds like going directly to the mini XLR adapter from the receiver, and it is the Sennheiser lavalier EW100. It's a classic lavalier system. So this is just how that sounds inside of the Pocket 4K camera. Okay, and here we are testing out the Rode NDG2, which is a budget shotgun microphone, and it is mounted like just out of frame, actually on the camera. And the reason it is on the camera is it is super close right now. I'm shooting on the Lumix 12-35 in RAW, but I am shooting in HD, which means that the sensor is cropped, so the 12mm is really not 12mm right now. Anyway, this is how the sound of the Rode NDG2 sounds like. Hopefully it sounds good. So let's go on to the next microphone. And now let's try a different type of microphone. This is a PVI 100. It's a vocal microphone. It's for singing. And I can't sing, so I won't do that. It's also kind of a news reporter kind of a thing. So this is how that sound with the XLR mini adapter right into the camera. How are you feeling? Okay. Does it sound just fine? You're happy with the result. Oh, and by the way, the gain level is set to 60 on this particular microphone. Let's go to the next one. And for this setup, we have a condenser microphone, which is a microphone I have used a lot. It's from Rode. It's entry level 1, but it's pretty good. I have been using this for a lot of voiceovers. Not for my YouTube videos, but for narrative work or for documentary work. I've been using this kind of a microphone, and this is like a condenser microphone, and it's also my voiceover microphone. And this is how that sounds inside of the Blackmagic Pocket 4K camera connected to the small XLR adapter. Hopefully it sounds very good. Let's have a listen. Hello, how are you doing? Okay, we can do a tongue twister here and see if it sounds good. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair, so Fuzzy wasn't fuzzy now, was he? Okay, and here we have the Rode VideoMic Pro, and this is how it sounds with the this is how it sounds with the 3.5mm jack input inside of the Pocket 4K camera. This should have been improved as well in some of the firmware updates, so hopefully it is just fine and dandy. So this is how that sounds. Again, the microphone is just out of frame here. Again, I am shooting in RAW in HD, which has a cropped window. So this is just how the sound from the Rode VideoMic Pro. And here we are with the next microphone. Again, into the 3.5mm jack. This is the VideoMic Go small one, and this is how it sounds like in this room. So hopefully it sounds okay. I don't really know. Again, the gain level is set to 80. So this is how it sounds just inside of that. Hopefully it sounds good. So now I'm back with the lavalier microphone from Sennheiser. And I was trying to make this 3.5mm jack work. It did work in the previous test I did on the other firmware. So if something has changed in the firmware, I do not know. Or maybe this one is broken, so I have to figure out if I have another one somewhere. Anyway, so this was not really the comparison I wanted to make, but now I have tested it again, the sounds of the microphones. And actually, when I come to think of it, all about this with adapting things, of course, the best solution is to use the right connection for the right microphone. Anyway, I hope you found this video a little bit informative and not too boring. I'll be back with more videos this week, very soon. I know NAB is coming up as of today, so I will be back with other videos this week for NAB and talking about what is happening at NAB. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.